Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create story mention reply for Instagram in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Before we start, please make sure that you have already connected your Instagram to nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. If you want to learn how to do that, please watch our video tutorial about that. Now, to create a story mention reply, we need to create a flow. Navigate to Flows. Then, let's add a flow. Select Instagram as the message type. Once you're done with your flow, click Publish. Now, navigate to Settings. Go to Channels. Choose Instagram. Scroll to Story Mention Reply. Then, select the flow you just created. Click Save. Once done, it is time to test. Let's create a story and mention nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. There you have it. We just created a story mention reply for Instagram. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.